I can ride my bike with no handlebars. No handlebars. No handlebars.
Memories all alone in the
Cause you're hot, then you're cold. You're yes, then you're no. You're in, then you're out. You're up, then you're down.
Oh.
Last year split.
Shoes.
Shoes.
I'm just like not a people person. Hi, and I have a boredom story for you. So one day I was sitting and I was really bored. The end.
Did you see that girl's high kick today?
I know! It's just crazy.
I can't get out.
What did you use that for?
Y'all were in my way. I was trying to get reception.
But you don't go around walking like this.
I was trying to get reception.
Well, go get it somewhere else.
In
I
the
was
mall.
sitting right there.
You know what? Go back to the mall.
Wow, were you
I
in the
am
mall?
in the mall, and y'all are in the mall.
I'm gonna rob you. Give me your phone.
No.
Give me your phone.
No. You're just chilling.
Ready? Let's do our major high kicks. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
You broke my game.
Superman.
Okay, what is her number again? Got it.
Hello?
Hey.
Oh my god, girl, I haven't seen you in so
I know.
long.
It's been like it's been like 2 days.
I know.
It's like too long.
Yeah.
Oh my god, where are you?
I'm like in the middle of nowhere.
I know,
I know.
there's like a
Anyone?
Oh my god, you're shopping. This thing is so
Totally.
I
Let's
got
go
like
shopping.
shopping.
Go.
I like big butts and I cannot lie. You understand tonight. When a girl walks in with anything surrounding in your face, you get sprung. Okay. Woo.
Okay.
We like to move it, move it. We like to move it, move it. We like to move it, move it. We like to move it. Woo.
You're done.
This is our dad.